welcome back to another episode of our podcast. I am Najwa, your host for today. I hope you are all doing well, staying hydrated, and surviving your deadlines, if you have anyway. Today, we were talking about one of the most relatable topic for students. The topic is college expectation versus reality. So, I'm not talking about the Instagram version, yeah. I mean the real one. So, today I'm joined by a very special guest, my friend, of course, the one and only Izana.
Hi Najwa.
Hello.
Hi listener. Thank you for inviting us. And I'm so excited today, but and a little scared about exposing my college struggle.
Yeah. Don't worry, we are all struggling together. That's the beauty college life. Okay, let's go back to before we entered college. Yeah, what kind of image did you have in your mind?
Okay, college in my mind.
Hmm.
I had the most unrealistic expectation ever. You know what? That I imagined myself waking up early, going to morning walk, and studying at cozy cafe, and then drinking iced coffee, taking an aesthetic note. You know, like a Pinterest student.
Yeah. That YouTube daily life as a college student video really lied to us.
Exactly. They made it look so peaceful. I thought I would have time for hobbies like exercise, journaling, or reading a book. Maybe joining 2 or 3 organizations at once.
Very ambitious.
I know. I also thought making friends would be super easy. Like I walk into class, smile at someone, and suddenly we are best friends.
I imagine that's the same. I had instantly meet my college squad.
Oh, I think not just that. I also
Mm.
expected the lecture to be soft and and slow pace. You know, like good morning class, please open the page number 10. Haha, it's very peaceful, right?
Oh yeah, you expected the soft teacher energy.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. All right, let's talk about the moment reality hit you. When did happen?
Okay, the moment reality hit me, maybe the first week, literally the first week of my college, when the lecture kept assignment suddenly, immediately, I was like, what? Wait, we just start?
Sam, I remember getting my first group project in week two. Week two.
Oh, week two.
Uh-uh.
Oh, so and the aesthetic cafe trim turns out expensive. Most of my studying happened at my boarding house, library with snack everywhere.
Yeah, and the expectation of having free time. The reality is, free time exists, but your brain is like, you have an assignment due in 3 days. Don't relax.
Exactly. And making friends is not instant. Every people are busy. Everyone has their own circle, and sometimes you meet someone, but the vibes I think is not there.
Yes. Do you have any college reality shock
Okay,
story?
I do. And right now, one time I had 3 until 5 deadlines in 1 week, and instead
Wow.
of doing my assignment, I cleaned my entire room because I was stressed, very very stressed. Right now, I'm
Wow,
stressed.
wow, wow. Classic procrastination. For me, the shock was when I realized that lecture don't remind you about deadlines. If you forget, yeah, it's over.
And group project, sometimes amazing, sometimes disaster, especially when one person disaster like a cause.
Yeah, every group has at least one ghost member. So after all these unexpected realities, what lessons did you learn?
Okay, what lesson that I learned? Maybe the first is time management.
Yeah.
If I don't plan my week, everything gets messy.
Mm.
So using to-do list helped me so much.
Agree. For me, the lessons is college is not supposed to be perfect. Yeah, you don't have to be productive every day. You don't have to join every event, and it's okay to feel overwhelmed sometimes.
Okay, I agree with the statement.
Yeah.
And also, it's okay, guys. It's okay to take things slowly. Everyone grow at their own pace.
Yeah. True. College teaches us independence, responsibility, and how to survive chaos.
Okay, exactly.
Yeah.
And even though reality is harder than expectation, it's also more meaningful.
Okay. Um, before we close, yeah. Before we close, let's give some advice for new college students.
Okay, my advice for college student and everywhere. So maybe don't be afraid to ask for help. Ask your friend, ask your senior, ask your lecturer if needed. So you're not alone. Okay, you're not alone.
Exactly. For me, don't compare your college life with social media. Nobody posts their tears, stress, or messy decks. They only post the cute parts.
Yes, that's right. Social media lies. Trust me.
Yeah. Okay. All right. That wraps up today's episode on college expectation versus reality. Thank you so much, Izana,
Yeah, you're
for
welcome.
sharing your experience. This was fun. Um,
Thank you for having me, Najwa. I really enjoyed this podcast. Thank you for Kenzi Podcast for having me. And yeah,
Yeah, and also thank you for listeners for staying with us. And if you are a college student, remember you are doing great. So if you are about to start college, good luck, yeah. And see you in the next episode. Bye bye.
bye.